For today's Cranbrook Collection Deep Dive, we're going to get into the work of Daniel Arsham, a versatile artist known for his work in art, architecture, and performance. Arsham's 2019 exhibition at Cranbrook Art Museum, The Source, a catalog of late 20th century American relics, offered a unique perspective on objects from late 20th century America. Displayed as weathered relics from a future observer's viewpoint, these pieces, with fabricated dates and pseudo-archaeological labels, heighten the illusion of veracity and a sense of authenticity. As part of the exhibition, Arsham created Falling Clock, an ongoing installation within Cranbrook Art Museum's main stairwell. In the piece, a clock appears to meld into the wall, creating an illusion of fresh sheets folding, as if the drywall ripples are caused by the timepiece's weight. While clocks typically symbolize our commitment to a linear timescale in the pursuit of industry and rationality, here it serves as a stark reminder that the very foundation supporting our world could undergo abrupt shifts. Arsham is also the co-founder of Snarkitecture, a collaborative practice that reimagines public spaces using everyday materials in unexpected ways. In this vein, Snarkitecture created The Beach Detroit, an immersive public art installation exhibited in Detroit in 2019. The installation redefined the beach experience with a massive pit of recycled, antimicrobial plastic balls featuring a pier, deck chairs, umbrellas, and a lifeguard stand. The monochromatic design further set it apart from traditional beaches. Originally commissioned in 2015, the beach has traveled globally, adapting to each location. It transforms observers into active participants, challenging the boundaries between art and experience.